This could be the most relaxing thing you do all season. You will love this cranberry walnut bread. So good for the holidays, and leftovers will make a great bread pudding. Simply mix the dry ingredients, instant yeast, sugar, salt, add the water, let it rest for half an hour, and do the stretch and fold 3 times every half an hour. The dough is super soft and bubbly. You're gonna add the filling, walnuts, dried cranberries. Roll twice. You don't want to deflate all these bubbles. Let it rest for another hour. Shape just like so. We want to make it look festive. Add cranberries or pomegranates, a little bit of rosemary. Bake in a Dutch oven at 450 for 30 minutes. Remove the cover and bake another 20 minutes. Serve this warm, crispy, yummy goodness with some cinnamon sugar butter. So good. I'll leave the recipe for the bread and the butter in the caption below. Give it a try and follow for more easy recipes.